Good day everyone! Samahan niyo ko today para mag-unbox itong impact drill from Powerhouse Tools. Let's start with the corded one. So itong unit na to ay 1,200 watts and comes with a 16mm chuck size o yung size ng ulo. Then ang contents niya is the drill itself. Of course, di pwedeng mawala yung susi o yung chuck key. Then may libre rin itong dalawang carbon brush. Then for a quick rundown of its feature, ang kakaiba dito ay variable speed siya. You can see from here. Yan. Nababago siya. Forward and reverse. Then may drill and may hammer function din siya. Now, try natin paganahin. So now, naka-forward tayo. Reverse. Then, for the variable speed, lagay natin siya sa pinakamahina right now. Ganyan na yun. And then, sa pinakamalakas na setting niya rin. Then may lock function din siya. Then now, let's move on to the cordless and brushless na impact drill nila. This one naman ay 20 watts siya na cordless impact drill. Although to, mas maliit ng konti yung chuck size, which is 13mm. So this one, ang difference, may case na siya nakasama, which is very handy pagka may on-site work. And same with the other unit. As you can see, very compact siya. Then it comes with a battery, with a charger, and a belt loop. And for this one, since brushless siya, hindi na kailangan ng carbon brush for maintenance. So yun, try din natin siya. So out of the box, plug lang natin yung battery. Then ang maganda sa kanya, if you have other Powerhouse tools na brand ng tools, you can use the batteries from other units para isang ecosystem yung workshop nyo. So now, out of the box, as you can see, nasa middle yung charge niya. But okay pa rin naman siya. Same with the